Hello guys, I am Renat and today we are going to solve some of geometrical tasks. Before starting it, of course, I want to introduce the task itself. So we have ABCD square with a side equal to 2. And the 2 points M and A and their midpoints of the side BC and CD relatively. And first thing, we should find the perimeter of this quadrilateral, B, M, N, D. And the second task is find the area of this. So before solving this task, we have to determine what is this figure is. Is it rectangle, is it trapezium, or is it rhomb? So we have to determine first. So as we know that, let's look at this triangle B, C, M. If M is midpoint and N is midpoint, then MN is the midline of this triangle BCD. And by according to the theorem, midline is always parallel to the base. It means so MN parallel to BD. So MN parallel to BD because of MN is midline. So if two opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then we can conclude that this figure BMND it is trapezoid. So after determining what is it trapezoid, let's start with finding perimeter. So perimeter equal BM plus MN plus ND plus BD. So we should find the four sides of this trapezium and then add them. So perimeter is sum of the sides. So as we know the square, all the sides are equal and it's given 2. So let me start with the side BD. As you know, this triangle is BAD is right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse or BD. So BD equal square root of sum of these two opposite and adjacent sides. 2 square plus 2 square. So 4 plus 4 it is root of 8. So this one is equal to root of 8. Or we can simplify root of 8 as a 4 times 2. And from 4 we can get 2. So 2 root of 2. So BD equal to 2 root of 2. And MN, as I told before, MN it is midline of this triangle. And by according to the theorem, midline of the triangle is always parallel to the base and equal to half of it. So MN is half of BD. So MN equal BD over 2. Or 2 root of 2 divided by 2 is equal to root of 2, square root of 2. And we found this side, we found this side. Now we are going to find BM and ND. And again, by according to the given task, this M and N, they are midpoints. It means that they are right in the middle. So MC and BM, they equal to 1. So we have now all the sides, so perimeter equal to 1 plus root of 2 plus again 1 plus 2 root of 2. We just put instead of them their value. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, root of 2 plus root of 2 root of 2, sorry, equal 3 root of 2. So we answered, we found the first question, perimeter. And now we are going to find the area, second task. So area of a trapezium, we should know the formula. Area of a trapezium, it is equal to sum of these two bases, or MN and BD, MN plus BD over 2 and multiply by the height of this trapezium. So in order to find area, the main task is finding height of this trapezium. But let's look at it with this side. Can you see? Let me see CO. So MK, this height MK, as you can see, is equal to half of OC. So it's better to find first OC and then divide it by 2. And now we have to focus on OC. If I will just continue OC, it's going to be diagonal of this square. So diagonal of this square, by according to the Pythagorean theorem, it's equal to the BD. We already found BD, it was equal to 2 root of 2. And OC, it is the half of this BD. So OC equal to, let me write it here, OC equal to 2 root of 2 divided by 2, just a root of 2. But the height of our trapezium is even less, so it is half of this. So height is equal root of 2 over 2. After finding all of this, let's put them. So Mn, this side we already found it was equal to root of 2. Here you can see. Plus BD, this one, we already found 2 root of 2. Divide by 2, and instead of height, I will put square root of 2 over 2. Over 2. So let's denominate it. 2 times 2, it is 4. And here we have to first summarize them. Square root of 2 plus 2 root of 2 is 3 root of 2 multiply root of 2. So 3 root of 2 multiply root of 2. Square root of 2 multiply square root of 2. This both gives us equal to 2. 3 times 2 over 4, or we can cancel here by 2. So 3 over 2, or 1.5. And I hope that you deeply understood the previous task, and as an exercise, as an example, I want to give you the next task for us homework. Just do it, it's not difficult, it is maybe similar to the previous task. So we have A, B, C, D rectangle with the side, length side, this one equal to 4, and with width equal to 2. So you need to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral. So I forgot this point M. It is midpoint of the side BC, and N is the midpoint of the side CD. And your answer should be like 3 plus square root of 5 plus 3. So they have, I swap mistaken accidentally, this has equal to 2, and BC. BC equal to 4. You need to find the perimeter. Perimeter of B, M, and D. So if you got this right answer, then I want to congratulate that you already learned something.